Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Rayyan. In this class, we have learned that how to add a video text background using HTML and CSS. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So now, first of all, I will open my Sublime Text Editor. I have Sublime Text Editor. I will open it. जो है bracket atom you can work on. Okay. So first of all, you can go to the file and click to the new file. Here you can see it. Here you can see it. Click it and another. Go to the here and go to a file, save, and now here you can go to the desktop and now here you can write index.html. Go to the here, go by save as style.css, till here we get the work, go to the index, and now first of all you can go to the here and now index, and here is this. So now first of all I will go to the here and now here I will write HTML and tab it, and here you can write document. And now here you can enter it, here you can write link, tab it, and here I will write style.css. Go to the here you can write div, class will be container. Go to the here, enter video, and now here you can go here, you can write autoplay, loop, muted, and enter it to the here you can go and here you can write source, tab it, and here you can write video.mp4, and here you can go here you can write video/mp4, save it, refresh. So here till here you can work, save it again. Here we can save it, refresh, save all. Here you can go and here you can also save all, refresh. So my picture is, and go to the here again, go here. So its name is video.mp4 file. So here we can also give a video, mp4, and now go to the here and now save it, refresh. So here you can see it, my videos come easily, so I will not write perfect. So here you can see it easily, my videos come, here you can see it. And now first of all you can go to the here and now here you can go here you can write here you can style.css, and here you can write margin should be 0, padding should be also 0, font family should be roboto, sans serif. Then here we can avoid. Go to the here you can write dot container should be width, should be 100%, height should be 100 vs, and go to the here, save it, and go here, so refresh. So here you can see it, he will tell here we can work, he will come to fit. And now first of all you can go to the here, and now here you can go here you can go and here you can write go to the here, and now here you can go here you can write dot container video. Go to the here, dot video, and here you can go here you can write width 100%, height also 100%. Go to the here, save it, refresh. So here we can go. So here you can again refresh. So till here we get to number 1. Go to the here and it is there, save it, then refresh. So here you can see it. There is not here. This start video, save it. save it, refresh. So चलिए we get the work. And now first of all चलिए we get the work. Here you can see it. Here you can see it. So now first of all we can go to the here, and now here you can go, and here I will unzoom it, and now first of all you can go to the style.css, go to the here you can go, here you can write here, not here, you can write, here you can go, and here you can write div class. Class should be my class should be container, sorry, not container, sorry, text box. Go here you can write h1 should be my coding. Save it, refresh. So here we get the number work. So my commit coding here is come, and now go to the style.css, save it from here. So my coding is come to the here, and go to the here, copy that box and paste it. Dot, here you can go, here you can write dot. Go to the here you can write position should be absolute, and here you can go, here you can write top should be 0, left should be also 0, background should be 0, and now here you can draw, here you can write margin should be 100%, weight should be also 100%, and now here you can go, here you can write color should be FF. Go to the here, and now here you can go, and now here you can go, and here you can write display should be flex, aligned, item should be center, justify content should be also center, make blend mode should be multiply, and till here we can work, save it, then refresh. So here till here we can turn not the work, save to the here also. So coding is done, but it's not come to the here. Why? I will see that h1 text box, and here we can go to the dot. Here you can also write next. So not here you can write dot. Save it. Go here. Refresh. So here till here we can download. And now first of all here you can write
2,000 years later.
So here you can save it, refresh. So here you can see it. It is come, but it is only code is come. I will come here. Go to the here. Here you can write coding. I will also write coding. Save it. Go to the here, and now here you can go. The layer we can go to the top. Go to the here, and now here you can go. Save it and refresh. So coding is also gone, so here you can see it easily. We can make how to add the video text background in HTML and CSS. Here you can see it, and there I will see it, and here you can see it. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.